Okay, Dottie, size small, XS to small. Ang ganda ng color niya. Green. Code nito ay green. Code green. Code green. Zara size medium to large. Med large. Code is Zara. Code Zara. XS to small. Ang fit ng printing. Code is printed. Code printed. Code printed. Another basic block. Small med. Code basic. Code basic. Ito tube na ano, para siyang pa-corset. Size small, medium. Code bago. Code bago. Sexy cup. XS to small. Code is P. Code is P. Shirt na cotton. May nakalagay na brave. Code brave. Code brave. Code is brave. Halter na black. Medium. Ay, baliktad. Halter. Code halter, ha? Cotton ba green? Green. Ay, oo, sis cotton siya. Knitted cotton. Ganda ng polo. Wait lang. Nasaan na lang? Yes, cotton. Ayun, sis, tela niya. Maganda. XS to small. Confirm sis May. Tops for jogging sis. Ay, meron akong mga pang workout sis. Okay, wait lang sis. Hanapin ko dito sa box. Eto, Bershka. Ay, ang ganda nito. XS to small ulit. Ang dami kong XS to small. Ang ganda o basic. Code neto is XS to small ha. Ang ganda ng color niya. Sa aming music festival. Bershka to. Code nito halter ha. Code halter. Code halter. Code halter. Ayan. Hindi, wait lang ha. Napin ko yung pangulo. Hala, tinabi ko na yung mga yung pagulo. Ito, Lindy, Bershka Start Moving XS. Nakalagay Start Moving. Code nito start. Code start. Code start. Workout. Workout. Kaso ito ay large. Medium to large. Code workout. Ito, size small, medium. Ay, hindi ata ito pang workout. Jersey pala to, jersey. Code jersey, code jersey. Sis, not for sale yung ano. Baka mag-practice tayo. Pero matagal pa ata dating. Yours na yung ano sis, Lindy, start. Sige, yours na yun, May, yung green. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, sis Lindy. May pa-SS ako ng green. May, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Meron pa ata ako Lindy, wait lang. Ito ba? Ito ba? Size small. Tama ba? Pang workout ba ito? Sample posture nakalagay. Code na to small. Code small. Ito Lindy Adidas pero hindi siya 150. Kailan shipping? Ano ba bukas? Wednesday. Ay, Tuesday, Wednesday siguro sis. Nike. Tatabi ko sa akin to. Size nito small, medium. Small on tag. Adidas. Ay, sorry. Nike pala. Nike. Ayan. Bagong-bago siya. Small on tag. Ay, sorry. Medium on tag. Ano ba yan? Kung bet mo, code na lang ay check. Code check. Code check. Pang swimming, free lang to mga sis. Padded, pang swimming. Code na lang swimming. Mind free swimming, ha? Mind free swimming. Mind free swimming. Ay. Ito branded by Gap. Ito ano pa full length to me. Small medium. Gap brand. Code Gap. Code Gap. Code is Gap. Top shop na polo. Silk naman siya. Pwedeng pang office dito. Size medium. Ano ba pala pa? Medium. Size small. Code small. Code small. Size medium to large. Pa-full garter. Cold garter. Zara size medium. Makusot lang siya. Size medium to semi-large. Garter yung likod niya. Code Zara. XS to small. Pa-self-tie. Tali, ha? Code self-tie. May papaflex pa kayo dyan, mga sis.